I do not wish to make any mistakes with you, for I will seek to be a perfection for you. You must be my promise land, 'cause when you arrived in my heart, you flooded my world with milk and honey. I can not afford your love, but yet you gifted it to me, and I promise to cherish it for the rest of my life. You are the icing on my cake. You take away every bitterness when I can not write songs. You will be my melody, and when I can not see the beauty of the world, you will be the glory I see. I love you so much, honey. If I am lost, my love for you will not lead me astray. The rule of my heart is to love you till the end. And with you, I will never yield to the temptations in this world. I will give you a boisterous round of applause for stealing my heart the way you did. I grew more loving from the day I fell in love with you. We shall make the best news when we make it as a couple in love till the end. I will love you, and you do not deserve it. You can count on that. A heart just become beautiful with your arrival in my world. I love you in a special way. It's overwhelming to love you the way I do in the midst of it all. I relish each moment. I will sip the drink of your love until it quenches my state and replaces the blood that flows in my vein while I was gauging at life forlornly. You came and blew my feet anyway, making me the happiest man on earth. With you, loneliness is so far away from me. From quest to quest, I will remain loyal to you. What we share, I can't share with another. Our dreams are beautiful than the Disneyland. They make me wanna keep dreaming with you. I love you. I will run till I catch you and hold you tight till you can not wanna leave you. Unstated lines in my heart and sat on the throne of love. I did not want to fall in love, but you gave me no choice. You are worthy to be showered with love. You are the brightest of all the shining stars, and the reason I am happy. You can never break my heart, 'cause joy is the only thing you are capable of giving me. I dream of you both night and day, and I love you each second of the minute. I love you, sweetie.